everybody, welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. Today I am going to share how I make corned beef for my children. I got this recipe from a good friend of mine. She is the wife of one of the ambassador in the Philippines, and when they live abroad, she learned how to cook the corned beef. When I visit to her in abroad, and then she has corned beef in her table during our breakfast, and then I asked her, where did you buy this corned beef here in abroad? And then she said, that's homemade. And then I said, I was so happy. And then she said to me, I'm going to share this to you because I know your children love corned beef. So I'm very glad that she shared that to me, and I'm very glad as well that I'm going to share this recipe to all the cooking ina, especially the lives abroad. In Philippines, we used to buy just a can in the store, and then we'll just make it gisa in that, and then put some ingredients, some egg, or it's depend of us how we make our corned beef. And now the procedure of the corned beef is like this, mga cooking ina. I have a pressure cooker here. If you don't have a pressure cooker, that's not a problem. You can use a normal pot, but it takes time to boil. But you know, it's worth it because it's good. The ingredient for the corned beef recipe are beef meat, and then I have chopped beef. I use chopped beef for my corned beef, and then I cut like this. And then this one is around 2 kilos because the good thing of this, we make corned beef, and then for me, I used to stock a corned beef in my freezer. That's why I make like this a lot. Because after I make a corned beef, I put it in the plastic bag or in the Tupperware, and then I put it in the freezer. In the breakfast, if my kids want to eat a corned beef with egg, with hot dogs, or what else, at least I have a corned beef in my freezer that I'm going to defrost and then fry it with vegetables, with onions, with garlic, like that. So at least it's ready. I have a stock in my freezer. Salt, because this is 2 kilos, I have 2.5 tablespoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper. These three, meat and salt and whole black pepper, is the first step of making a corned beef. The second step are these ingredients, and I'm going to introduce that ingredient in the second step. We're in the first step now, mga cooking ina. So we're going to use our pressure cooker. So we do like this, mga cooking ina. We transfer our meat here in our pressure cooker. We do like this. I already drained this one and wash well, mga cooking ina, of course. So we do like that. Then we're going to add our salt, mga cooking ina, and our whole black pepper. And we need 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water in this, mga cooking ina. This is 1 cup. 2, 3 cups. We're going to lock our pressure cooker, and we're going to cook in my stove for 15 minutes, mga cooking ina. And now, mga cooking ina, after 15 minutes, we cook our meat with the pressure cooker. It's already here. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to mash our meat. We mash our meat. Look, this is the beef. We just do like this, mga cooking ina. We're just doing like this, mashing our beef. And of course, we don't have a problem in this because we're not using mga preservatives. I divided this one for 3, and then 3 breakfasts with my kids, and then plan to have corned beef with them in the next day. Before I went to bed, I pull out na in the freezer 1 bag of this. And then tomorrow morning, I will make it gisa, and then some eggs, boiled or sunny side up egg, and then rice, fried rice, or bread. Because this one also, they like to put it also in the bread. Fruits, of course, milk every morning, they need that one. So just like that. It's not good also that we just give all meats to our kids, mga cooking ina. We need to give them proper nutrition, di ba, mga cooking ina? So, that's what our responsibility to our children. We need to give them a good food, proper diet, mga healthy food. So, I'm done. And the ingredient we're going to mix in this are onion. I chop the onion like this. Onion, or depend on you, cooking ina, how you chop the onion. And then I have a potato. I cut small cubes, and carrots. As I said, this recipe, my children loves it very much. So I am just trying to be wise, mga cooking ina, because my kids, they are not much vegetables eater. So for me, as a mother, I try to add more vegetables in the recipe that they like to eat. At di ba, mga cooking ina? Just wise. And corn oil, and half deciliter of apple cider, and soya sauce, mga cooking ina, the to you. And minced garlic. This is a whole garlic. Ground black pepper. And I have one beef cube for more flavor, mga cooking ina. So now, mga cooking ina, let's start the next step of our corned beef recipe. So come and join with me. Now, mga cooking ina, our homemade corned beef is ready and plated. Mga cooking ina, look at this one. It's pretty, right? And it smells good. I want to try together with you, mga cooking ina. So let's try. So, look at the texture of our meat, mga cooking ina. It's so tender. And wash you good, mga cooking ina. Very good, mga cooking ina. Our kids will be happy in this recipe for their breakfast, or you can serve this one as well to them in a lunch or dinner, as long as they like. So now, thank you very much again for joining me here in my kitchen making our homemade corned beef. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!